Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python DevOps. In this video, we are going to download and install Terraform. As you can see my screen, and I have already write all the steps. Like step 1, you have to download the Terraform. Step 2, choose your OS. Step 3, extract the files. Step 4, add the path. And step 5, verify the installation by the running this command. Let's go to the first step. In this step, you have to go to the official Terraform download page. So I just open this link, and this is the official HashiCorp link which allow you to download the Terraform. So you have the macOS, means I have the macOS. If you have Windows or the Linux or any other OS, so you can choose it. I have the macOS, so I'm just copying this command and opening my terminal. First, let's check, do we have the Terraform already? So run the command terraform-v. So currently we do not have the Terraform. Let's paste this command which I have copied from the this page. So let's hit the enter and see it start installing. First is downloading. Okay, it's asking for the password. I'm entering my password. Okay, I have to do the multiple times. Okay, all the password is entered, so my Terraform is installed. Let's run the same command again, the terraform-v, and it shows Terraform is installed with the version of this. Now let's open your VS Studio Code and do the setup in the VS Studio Code as well. So this is the VS Studio Code. So just open some folder for the demo. Just click on this folder and choose the folder Terraform demo. I have created already. Let's select this folder, and currently we do not have the Terraform here, so just click on it. So all the extension are here, and we are going to set up for the Terraform. So just click on it and click on the install. I think it's installed instantly. Yeah, it's installed. Just click on this. So Terraform is installed, and if you click here, so it will show you, just cut this one, so it shows as a in a installed section. Just click on that button and then that button. We have a two different section. We got two buttons. One is the HashiCorp Terraform, which shows the provider. Currently we do not have any Terraform file, so it's not showing any provider here, otherwise it will show. Second one is the login to HashiCorp Terraform, so you can log in into the HashiCorp Terraform as well. So this is the thing. So we have completed two things. One is install the Terraform in your local, and then we did the setup into our VS Studio Code. So this is all about in this video. In next video, we write some script, understand provider resources and other thing as well. If you find this helpful, please share and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.